Alright, Nature Valley Savory Nut Crunch Everything Bagel. There's the package that it came in. There's the product. I'm not really too sure what to make of this. Kind of thin. Well, thinner than I thought. There's definitely a flavor there, and I don't know if it tastes like bagel, but there's definitely quite a bit of spices in there, and I think there's way too much going on, which I guess is why they call it everything. But to be honest, I think I'd actually rather have the bagel itself rather than the condensed burr that they put it in. That's just my opinion. I'll give this a 7 out of 10. I wouldn't buy it again. I bought it purely to review it. No other reason. I have another one, Savory Hot and Spicy, which is coming up. So, until next time, have a good evening.